Supermarket vegan cheeses are often made with cashews, almonds, oil, and starch to get the texture right. But what do you do if you're allergic to nuts? So in this video, I show you how to make a nut-free vegan cheese. Or should I say, vegan cheese that tastes like cheese without any additives, color, or artificial preservatives. One that doesn't make you go, ew. So let's cut straight to the process of making vegan cheese with just 2 ingredients. Oh, stick till the end as I tell you a couple of ideas that you can use with this nut-free vegan cheese. So here I take a saucepan and I pour some soy milk. I used about 600 ml of soy milk. Now the best part of making this vegan cheese is that the end result is creamy like cream cheese. And once you see how easy it is, you won't be buying the commercial vegan cheeses. Now once the milk is hot, add acid. I used white distilled vinegar to separate the solids. Switch on the flame and let the process happen on its own. Once it's at room temperature, we need to separate the solids and the whey. Now you can use a strainer or a cotton cloth, muslin cloth, or even nut milk bags to help through this process of separating the solids from the water. Squeeze out as much as water out because if water is present in the cheeses, it tends to spoil faster. Now this collected cheese is transferred to a bowl or any shaped container that you prefer. Now I prefer to use the cloth along with the Pyrex container because I want the excess water to still, to be absorbed. I'm going to chill this out in the fridge because it tastes better the next day. Now because this recipe is just 2 ingredients, it doesn't mean that you cannot add any more flavor to it. You can always add pepper, garlic, salt, and some dried herbs or even nutritional yeast to upgrade this normal vegan cheese. Now let me show you how it looks the next morning. This is how they look the next morning. Once it's removed from the bowl, it still maintains its shape. Now here's the different ideas for this nut-free vegan cheese. It's perfect with hot toast or even hot tortillas or roti. Now my favorite way to use this is as a substitute in a homemade gluten-free cheesecake recipe. In the channel, there is a recipe on gluten-free cheesecake. Use the same recipe, but just replacing the cottage cheese with this nut-free vegan cheese and you'd have a perfect healthy gluten-free cheesecake recipe. So, you might ask yourself, how long does this stay good in fridge? Well, according to me, when I tested, it stayed good for a week, and anything beyond is questionable as you don't have any preservatives within this. This nut-free vegan cheese is so creamy that it does not matter if you're vegan or not. As you know, the channel is about knowing food better, so it's all about celebrating ingredients that are natural and less processed. So if you like this video, give it a like and share it to folks whom you think would benefit from this video. And if you found this interesting, here's how I made vegan dip or vegan sour cream, and I shall see you on another video. Take care.